Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to change photo on Gmail account. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your Gmail account, and now there you can see I open my Gmail account on Gmail apps. And now what should you do? You just need to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. There have a profile icon, click it. And now you need to select on manage your Google account. Okay, now you just need to select personal info. Okay, now you can see there have a option photo. There you can see there have a option photo. You just need to click over this photo and just need to select set profile photo, and you can take a photo or choose photo from your gallery. I just select take photo, then select my camera. That's it. Now I'm taking a photo. I just take a photo, then mark it, then I can crop it, then accept. There you can see. So it's updating. Just give me a few moments, then your photo already updated or changed. So guys, in this way you can change a photo on Gmail account very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.